Fuse, the Japanese master origami folder, which has 4 pieces, right? So we're gonna do 4 exact copies of the same set of folds. And there's only 6 folds, but it's tricky, it's 3-dimensional, and then we'll fit them together, okay? So we've had one little practice round. Right now we're gonna take one piece of paper that's square with a white side and a colored side, and we're gonna put the colored side facing down with the horizontal base of the square towards our belly. And now we're gonna make a book fold, neatly and carefully. A thumbnail technique's a good idea. So now the colored side is facing out, and we're dividing the book fold 2 rectangles. Nice sharp crease, which is just a guide fold, and then we'll open it up. And as soon as it's open, we'll go to the next step, okay? When it's open, our next fold is to lift the bottom right corner, and it's really important. Handedness matters. Every time we do this, all 4 times, all 4 sheets of paper will be the same right-handed folds, okay? And the same left-handed folds. So now we're gonna lift the bottom right corner to the middle line, the middle guide fold we created, and we'll keep the left side up to use as a guide to keep it straight. So, exactly. So we'll make a nice triangle on the bottom right, and then we'll have a colored triangle, a white left-hand rectangle, and a white upper square. And everyone should have that.
Backwards.
Okay, no, it's not. That's your right hand.
See, I've done mine backwards.
But you're, okay, if you do it backwards, you need to do all 4 of them backwards. And see, you're an artist, you're a chef, so you may have left brain, right brain creativity issues. That's fine. So everyone has a triangle, a square, and a rectangle now, right? Okay, now we're going to pick up the right-hand side, the one that has the triangle, and we're gonna bring in the left-hand rectangle to make a cupboard door fold against that middle line. Nice, tight, and sharp. And with these modular origami of all sorts, including the boxes, really sharp, precise folds and exact regularity does matter, but you all are experienced and you can do that. Okay, good job. Now we're gonna make this a really tight crease, and we're gonna make that middle guide fold so tight that we're gonna bring it all the way flat together, like, you know, a paper airplane or a napkin or something. So fold it all the way over to make a good sharp crease, because that's what's gonna be the edge of your box. So we want it nice and tight so your box holds together like this and not mushy like this one, okay? So when everyone's got that, see, I brought you samples so you can see the difference. Then open it up, and you'll notice it tends to stay at a 90-degree angle. Good job. See, you did it all by yourself, okay? Now we have something that is 3-dimensional, looks a little bit like a sailboat, but here's the tricky fold. Everyone should have a white square in the upper right corner, or the upper left corner. Oh yeah, there you go. See, you got it. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your right hand open side of the square, and you're making a very tricky fold, but you can do it. You're gonna bring the right hand side of the square to completely cover the top of the square. You can use your left hand to keep it from folding anywhere past the triangle. So this triangle will have a buddy triangle. Okay, we're turning that white square into a yellow triangle. All right? Does that make sense to everyone? Okay, so watch me here. The edges come to cover each other.
How long do you think that fella sat there before he figured this out?
Oh, she's a woman, and she's very bright. Okay, so you put your finger here, left hand here, bring this up here, and do it. You can do it. Okay, who's doing it? You're doing it. That's great. You're doing it. That's great. Keep it up there. When you get it there, keep it there. This is not a guide fold. This is a permanent fold. So bring it up. Bring it up. That's good. You're doing it. You're doing great. So here's what you want to do. You want to have one hand on the side that protects the long, narrow rectangle, which is your outer edge of the box. You want to have the other hand bringing up this white edge to touch the other white edge. White edge covers the other white edge. This is the tricky fold. Nope, we're bringing this up. Okay, yeah, Barb will show you. See, like that. We're making a little sailboat. We're making another sailboat. There you go. This is the three-dimensional trickiest part. It's a pop. It pops up like that. All the way up.
All the way up.
This, you're making a diagonal line across, and what you're doing is you're making triangles that are sort of parallel to each other. Okay? And this makes the corner of your box. Okay? As soon as everyone's caught up, you can see, yeah, that's good, and that's one way of folding that corner tightly. You figured that out, PJ. That's a different way to make a tight corner.
Does it go like
So,
that?
that's exactly right, because then you flip it down. The next step is to flip it down and fold again the crease you'd made so that you again have two overlapping triangles. See, and they fit on top of each other. That's how we're going to store them. Good job. Okay, you've got it.
I got that one.
Exactly.
Let me see if I
Okay.
can get this one.
All right. Okay, John's got it, right? John, you've got it. You had one, now you got the second one. You got it, so flip it on up.
Flip one up.
Okay, you made your triangle. Once you've made that second triangle, don't let go of it.
I think this is inside out.
Yeah, yours is inside out because of your handedness issue. You did yours backwards, so there you go. No, it's not inside out. Then you just have to flip it that way. There you go. You got it. You just have to flip it down.
Okay.
So when you flip it down, because remember, we want only the colored sides to show. When we're done, only our colored sides will show. You ready? So you're gonna hold this, and you're gonna bring this white to, we can stop filming, I think. Okay.